You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this molecule. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, stay tuned. It's generally in the form of a nasal inhaler, pronounced in British English as mometasone. Mometasone. In American English, similarly, mometasone, sold under the brand name Nasonex. Nasonex. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.